Okay guys, so I'm gonna do an apartment tour really quick. Ignore me. Yeah, anyway, so you walk in, here's the door. We have this right here because we're putting in the dumpster. It was just like this cheap storage thing I got a couple years ago, but it's now like rotted and everything. So yeah, this nice little mirror. Here's the sort of overview. This place is so nice. If you guys go to Oklahoma State or live in Stillwater, definitely check them out. I love it, and it backs up to this amazing neighborhood that you can take long walks in, so I really like it. So here's sort of the view out of the windows. I really can't say enough good things. We have a little, it was supposed to be a dining room table, but I ended up using it. We didn't have enough room, so I put it there to put like books and stuff on. Here's all of my books, some notes, some beautiful flowers. There is my TV. I just have some of my decor up here. I did that myself. And then that is a just France tea towel I got this summer. There's my beautiful TV. I love her. Love her. Love her. I just have some books, school stuff, DVDs. I have this book I got when we were in Santa Fe. I never showed you guys everything I got there, but I got some cool stuff. This being one of them. I'm very excited to open it and actually look at it. And here is just my couch. Ignore that stuff. I'm doing a final. Here's the chair. I got this. Is my favorite desk I've ever had. It is so cute. It was $100. I mean, it's not the most sturdy thing in the world, but it served its purpose. It's amazing. This living room is literally so spacious. I have some of my stuff hanging up. It even has a nice sized balcony. Yeah, so here is the kitchen island. Very, very nice. Seriously, so much room. The only hard part is finding chairs that will reach the tabletop. So that is the hardest part. And then we're just walking into the kitchen. One of my favorite pieces I have. My Aunt Sue did it. I believe my grandmother and my aunt gave it to me one year for Christmas. And she will go with me everywhere. Here I just have my fridge. Hey, that's me and my aunt, or my aunt and I in New Orleans. What is wrong with me? I've been talking about New Orleans this week. At the Spy Museum in Washington, D.C. Such a fun trip. And then this is the fridge. You guys didn't ask, but there you go. Lots of stuff. There's a lot of storage. Here's the kitchen. It just has regular stuff. And yeah, here's kind of the overview from here. Another piece. My Nespresso. Gonna miss you so much. Like I said, there's like so much storage in here. It's like crazy. But anyway, I'm not going to show a bunch of this, but this originally was my office, which is why there's so much stuff just everywhere. Like this, I used to keep coffee and stuff in, but now it's broken. This is something I bought years ago, I think my first year at Oklahoma State. For decor, it used to be behind my bed, but I put it in here when I had my office in here. But it was just too dark. As you guys can see, it's super dark in here. And I just needed to be out there, and I like the setup so much better. I have some of my vision boards. We're gonna get rid of this too, I think. I bought it the first, hold on one second. It just still kind of looks dark in here. But anyway, I bought this the first year I was here, and I don't love it. It's super heavy, and it's not super easy to put like books and stuff on, so not my favorite. But anyway, we do have some of my vision boards. This ring light is broken. My printer, that's my old desk from Midtown. Then we have another vision board, and then, yeah, this is what you get when you're moving and packing for London and doing all the things. And then this just has a nice size bathroom attached to the bedroom. And here's my little spa stuff that I come in here and take my bubble baths. Anyway, let's move on to the other stuff of the house. Okay, so here also, I didn't show this. These are Redbubble. This is Oscar de la Renta exhibit. One of my favorite pictures ever of Marilyn Monroe in a de la Renta gown. So I love that picture. All this will be going into my storage unit. And then this is just a New York photo I really, really liked. And one of my favorite shows. So this is what like the hallway to my bedroom looks like. And I'm going to miss this apartment seriously so much. Here is my bathroom. We have Audrey with us, of course. This is a Paris. So the story behind this is there was one left, and we had already bought these towels and we didn't have a shower curtain to match it. And it was just kind of meant to be because it matches perfectly. She's a little crooked, but there's Miss Audrey. Love that picture. And I did have shelves here, but they fell off. They were cute acrylic ones from Amazon that I was hoping would work, but they just did not. I have like medicine stuff in here. And then here's like this space. I know it looks insane. My mom took everything out of all my bags to help me pack for everything. So that's why there's so much badness up here. Usually it's just like probably like less than half. So anyway, that's why it's so crowded right now. And then of course you have to have this every day getting ready so you feel good about yourself. Yeah, so let's go into my favorite place. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss this apartment so much. Here's an overview of my bedroom. She's beautiful. I love her so much. So I'm gonna go over here and show you guys. I had this beautiful walk-in closet. There's so many clothes. I can't even think. I mean, I'm gonna have to pack the next 2 days after I finish this final, and graduation is on Saturday. But it's so nice. Like, there's literally so much room, and all the room up there, like, love. Here's the view from the closet. I was gonna make this entire thing like a collage wall, gallery wall, whatever, and then I just didn't. I didn't want to order more stuff, and it was just, yeah. Anyway, so that white case storage organization thing I showed you guys at the beginning used to be right there. So I had all my books on there. But over here I just have a red bubble print that I ordered. I did this myself. I love this. Just so that it says girls just want to have fun. And then of course I have Maryland again. Some more red bubble prints, and then this is one of my vision boards I did maybe like a year ago. And this is funny. I bought this in like probably 2017 for what did I buy this for? So I bought this in 2017 for one of my friends' birthday, or maybe my apartment. I don't remember, but I never used it, and I wanted something on this wall because I just needed something else and not the dreary, like, god-awful beige walls. So yeah, that's that. My bedspread is Mary Mecco. I have matching pillows, but I use it in the living room all the time, so I never put it on my bed. And I stole one of my pillows, so it doesn't usually look like this. It usually has that, which I got on sale, and it has my stuffed animals. Yeah, anyway, and then we just have, I love these lamps, by the way. We got them in Amelia Island last year. My aunt brought them here for us. And these are my favorite little side tables I've ever had. They are so cute. I wish I had like 8 million of them, but yeah, that's the overview of my bedroom. I'm literally gonna miss it so much. I didn't show you guys this. This used to be my coffee cart, but yeah, it's kind of where I keep my collection of things. I've actually had this since I was in high school. I think I got it when Hobby Lobby first opened in Tifton. And then here's the vision board I made this year in this apartment. So it's really special to me. And some of the things on here are already happening. So that's really, really exciting. I'm so excited. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of it. There's not much else to show. The unit does also come with a washer and dryer and a little area to hang your clothes up. So it's really nice.
now. Everyone just wait now. So much on my plate.
That's what I saw, Mom. How you doing?
Good.
Anything to say to the vlog?
What's that?
Anything to say?
I saw the drug is hot weather down here.
About that. Girl. Good morning, Queens. It's 2 p.m. Hi. Hi, Queens. What's up? I'm in Tifton. I'm in Stillwater already. We got here at 4:45 this morning. So I slept until about 12. And then we ran errands. I had to get new glasses. I had to... What else did I have to do? Oh, I went and got my eyebrows and my lip waxed. And tomorrow I have a full day of doctor's appointments. So I'll take you guys with me. Then I'm gonna go to the lake and have a doctor's appointment there on Thursday. But I just went to Strickland's for the first time. And it was so nice. But I am going to... I just cooked these kebabs. I'll show you guys. Hold on. How do you feel about getting home at 5 in the morning? How was our road trip?
Hey, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, just hit the ground running and do a 48-hour instead of a 24-hour. It was a great road trip. Sad, happy, a lot of emotions in it.
At the same time.
Looking forward to the next adventure in your life.
Kebabs. Maybe we don't show that. Maybe that's something we don't show. You guys know me. I love my things burnt. Anything to say?
Or should I do it the other way?
I would say the other's more fitting since
Yeah.
this is my only day at the lake. Hey.
Oh, you're taking a video. What?
Uh-huh.
Glad we made it for one sunset before you leave.
Me too. That sounded like a robot.
Glad we made it one last sunset before you head to London.
Good. Hi, Queens. Well, has this just been the turn of an event? So my visa's ready. But guess who thought her visa was going to be ready in a few weeks, so she hasn't done anything? This girl right here. I thought I was about to get tan. I'm about to be pale just as every other Londoner. Anyway, yeah. So that's about it. You see the fishies jumping? Let's see. Are you gonna jump again? Come on, fishies. Jump, jump.
These days, it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me. Living in the summer didn't last too long, and Lord never loves her.
I got my one piece of home. Shady Lane. Gabby, say hey. Say hey. Are we TikToking? We're vlogging. Wow, a great is awesome. Always remember where you come from, man. Don't forget about it. Thumbs up, Sam. Thumbs up. Do I need my teeth? No. How do you guys feel about this jacket?
It's cute. Is it warm?
I'm perspiring a little bit. I look like an apple for real, for real.
Pretty, pretty.
I think my detective name is gonna be Detective Applebot. What y'all think?
Who are you texting?
Who let me out of the house looking like this though? Okay, I'm gonna go now. We're at High Falls in some random gas station bathroom. OFTT.